Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to lock folders in Windows 11. Let's start. So first of all, open up your this PC, and after opening it up, open up the folder that you want to lock. Just like for example, I want to lock the folders of Stronghold Crusader. I will just right click on it. I will click on show more options, and then I will click on properties, and after clicking on properties click on general option, and in general click on hidden, and after clicking on hidden you guys have to click on OK. So click on apply changes to this folder only, click on OK, and after that you guys have to click on this view option, and after that click on the show option and click on hidden items. So as you guys can see, both of the folders which I lock is now hidden, and that's how you guys can easily lock the folders in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.